الله أكبر الله أكبر حي على الفلاح لا إله إلا الله.
Hey Arif, what's happened?
Nothing, bro. I'm not feeling well.
Why? Has the girlfriend left you?
No, bro. That's not like that.
Okay, no problem. Take this cigarette and have this. You will feel good. Have a relax.
What are you saying? Don't you know I don't smoke?
Okay, you don't smoke, so what? Have this. You will feel good. Okay, you don't have to smoke. What are you thinking? Tell me.
Bro, what I will say? I don't know. I see the Fitna of Dajjal all around the world. Keeping the faith is very difficult now. Listen, to understand the Fitna of Dajjal, we need power of faith, but we don't have power of faith. Hellfire is the mouth of most young men, and some people are very busy playing games. So do you think playing games and don't pray will be able to go to Jannah and will be able to fight with Dajjal? I don't think so. It's impossible for us, and we will not be able to be soldier of Imam Mahdi.
Bro, you are right. I didn't think like that. From now on, I will not smoke.
Okay, it's okay. Bro, after a long time you have understood, so I'm proud of you. So Azan is going on. Let's go to pray.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.